Hey everyone, this is Carlos with Reach for the Stars. If you have a Celestron CGX mount and have had it for whether it's been a month to 2 years to 4 years, doesn't matter. I've heard all types of these stories from people who have had it for different amounts of time. So if you have this mount and it ends up sounding like this, in both RA and declination, sounds really bad. I typed CGX mount sounds like an Otter, and it came up. So other people are having this issue, and a lot of people are confused about exactly what to do. Celestron used to put it in the owner's manual about what to exactly do with this to fix this procedure, because it's a very delicate task and you could ruin your mount. But they took it out because too many people tried and destroyed their mount and had to have a full rebuild and refurbish done by sending it back into Celestron. Or you can have this done without hearing this noise. If you're getting backlash or error in your tracking, you can get a service called Hypertune. Supposedly it runs $400. But anyways, I'm here to tell you, if you're having this noise, this is what you do to fix it. You take a number 3 Allen wrench and you come down here. Sorry about the lighting. This bigger bolt right, this bigger hole right here. This is what you need to adjust. Now mine is completely, when I came into here, this Allen head screw was completely loose. It's completely loose. Now, what you need to do is check this bolt and adjust it by 1/16 of an inch every time. It's just this much. Whoop. That much. That little bit of tightness is what moves this mount, this motor mount, away from the housing to pressure on the worm gear. If this is loose, it's going to cause vibrations. What you want is 1 millimeter of play. That's how much you need to back this off, the housing off, to be able to give the worm gear spring tension, but not too much, not too loose and not too compressed. You have to have it just right. So mine was completely loosed. All I did was turn it 1/16 of an inch and then check it. That was it. Just that little tiny turn fixed it. Now let's go to this one right here. So it's still, it usually only goes in one direction too. Yep. So that sounds terrible. So let's get this in a good position to get the bolt and go in here. So 1/16 of a turn. Now let's check. Wrong way. Still there. So we'll go back. One-16th of a turn. Oh, it's still there. I thought we had it. Let's go back. And 1/16 of a turn. Let's put some load on here. That sounds almost right. I heard a tiny vibration, so I'm just gonna nudge it. And that's it. That's literally all you do. Other than that, I'm not touching it. I'm just lightly tweaking those bolts. They became loose and vibrating around, and so that's what you need to do if you're hearing that noise. That's the first thing to check. If you need to go farther than that, call Celestron, because I don't know what to do. This luckily fixed my problem. I just bought this, and yeah, so it does have other issues though, which I'm sure you guys would be very worried about. But I'm doing a claim for that. Alright guys, good luck. Post in the comments if you have any more questions. Take care.